everyone, I'm Finn, and today I am playing with children's toys.
Yeah, I know. Modifying nerf guns just so that I can inflict mildly annoying pain on my younger brother is definitely not the most productive use of my time, but at the time you're watching this video, it's kind of already too late to stop me, so just enjoy.
Okay, back to the point of the video. Today I'm modifying a nerf gun. Originally, it was going to be this one, but I decided if I'm going to do this, I can do better, so I'm using this one instead. It's bigger, it's more powerful, most importantly, it looks cooler. So without any further ado, let's start modifying. Oh, and before I forget, I have to do a quick test of this gun before I mod it. That way I can see if it's gotten better or worse after I've modded it. Hopefully it gets better. That's the goal. But let's go do that right now.
Okay, so I've removed all of the exterior parts and sanded them down so the paint sticks to it better. So now I'm going to give a just base coat of silver on all of the parts. Okay, so I'm finished spray painting for today. As you can see, I got the white parts done and the gunmetal parts done. I still need to do the black parts, but it's starting to like storm in the distance, so I'm gonna let these dry, then I'm gonna finish up for today. And I will start tomorrow. Okay, it's the next day. I have the exterior shells taped up, so now I just have to do the final coating of black on these parts. Then after that, I should hopefully be done with spray painting.
Okay, I finished spray painting, and off camera I started this 3D print right here. Now that that is finished, I can start finally reassembling this thing. Let's hope I can remember how to put it together. Okay, so the Nerf gun is fully assembled and completely functional. It shoots more powerfully than it did before. Okay, so it's obviously complete, but there's still one more thing that I can do to dramatically improve the coolness factor of the gun, and that's going to be to weather it. So, let's do that right now. Okay, so the gun is completely finished. It's been taken apart, painted, modified, put back together, weathered. I even added on a little like laser on the bottom for accuracy. So that's pretty cool. But now the final test. Did it get more powerful? Did it get less powerful? Did it stay the same? Did I waste a bunch of my time? Those are all questions that will be answered within the next 20 seconds for you. So without any further ado, let's get to the final test.
Okay, well, I think that concludes the video. It shot 20 feet further, it's way more accurate, and well, most importantly, it looks way cooler. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. And wait, well, one more thing I have to do. I have to shoot my brother.
Hey Eli,